my eyebrows. You know what, I think this hair makes me look more, it makes me look more lighter, this hair. Or you just, I'm paranoid. You know what, I just realized that when you start working, you always like, you don't have time to do your makeup in the morning. You just like do your natural, not even natural. And I don't do my eyebrows, guys. I don't do my eyebrows. Because I don't even have eyebrows. The first place to do. So I feel sorry for the people that they have to do the eyebrows every week. When I say doing your eyebrows, I was like to shape them, whatever method that you use to shape your eyebrows. But me, I'm just feeling my eyebrows. And that's it. So I was talking about going to work. Since I've been starting going to work in the morning, is always I don't have time to do my makeup. So literally I have to rush myself. I have to do no makeup look thing. And I think I've become quite good at it. Well, I think so. I think I've become good at it, like no makeup look. But at the same time you look nice, you look representable. That's what we're going for today. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. Yeah, my eyebrows are like oh my god, I hate doing my eyebrows. Only because I don't have a lot of eyebrows. So I have to be really, really extra. It takes me like 2 minutes or 3 minutes to do my eyebrows. Only because I don't have eyebrows, I have to be really chilly, so careful with it. Because when you wake up in the morning, you don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. I'm that lazy, I don't feel like doing anything. When I wake up in the morning, I'm so moody. Like, do not talk to me. I don't know you, you don't know me. After 5 minutes, you can talk to me. So I think everyone knows me now. After 5 minutes, yes, you can talk to me. After that, I don't know you. My parents' house, obviously I live with my parents, the house is quite cold. When I say cold, it's freezing. Only because we got a massive house. Like, when I say massive house, obviously our house is quite big. When I say it's big, our house is quite big. So wherever we're gonna try to warm the house up, it will never be like actually warm. It always be like kind of cold. So that's why I always do my video at night, because it's a little bit warmer, because the heater is like 24 hours, because it never ever be warmer. When it's summer, yes, but now it's winter, it's like freezing, like literally freezing. Freezing my parents' house. Sometimes you wonder, like, I want to get my own house right now because of how freezing it is. But at the same time, I don't want to move out. I want to stay here forever. Should I stay here forever until I have my own kids, I have my own husband? We can stay here. You know, Indian people do it. Indian people do it. They stay with their parents. Why not? I can do that as well. You know, can stay here forever. I don't want to move out. I don't want to move out. I don't want to get married. I'm so weird. I just want to stay here forever. With my parents, like little child I am. My mom's side, I'm like little girl. I'll always be a little girl. My daddy's side, I'm a little girl as well. Yeah, I always want to be live with my parents. I don't never want to move out. How weird is that? Like, people are like, why do you want to move? Why do you want to stay with your dad forever? Because I want to. So, like, if you have experience living by yourself, please tell me in below, how would you finding it? Because I heard it's quite hard. I heard it's quite hard to live by yourself, but it's really good as well, because you get more experience by yourself and whatnot. But why am I holding this? And I have a table literally in front of me. Crazy, innit? But yeah, so tell me if you like to live by yourself, because I wouldn't like to live by myself. I think it's quite boring. You won't have anyone to talk to. You just have your TV to talk to and your laptop and your whatever. And when you have your friends over, and then England, everyone they're busy in it. Everyone they're busy in their own life. So you cannot expect them to come every time to visit you because you're quite bored in your house. So if I was in Africa, obviously I'll move out, because Africa is quite a little bit like, it's quite a little bit fun. You can never be bored in Africa because there's quite lots of things to do. But in UK, everyone is busy in their own personal life, so you cannot accept them to be like to come to you. So that's why I want to stay here in my parents' house. It's the matter of that, isn't it? It's a non-makeup look. I don't use quite loads of product only because I don't even use my foundation, so you can see how the face looks a little bit glamorous. I just use concealer for the yeah, for the fun of it. Just gonna light a little bit, not too much. Because it's non-makeup look, remember. So yeah. We're just gonna drag it because I don't know. Because you want to look natural as non-makeup look. So that's what we're going for today. Easy. When I don't go to work or do any over, I have nothing else to do in my life. I'm so lazy, I just want to sleep. And it's so cold as well. Like I said the earlier hour, it's so cold. You think to yourself, like, it's literally worth it for me to wake up and how freezing it is to do a video. And I'm like, no, I'll just do a night, because at night that's when it's getting a little bit hot and stuff. So I'm like, nope, I'm gonna do it at night. It's nothing wrong with me to do a night time. So that's why you see me do at night time my videos, because our house is like freezing. Just so cold. Thinking, why it's so cold? Good. Little bit with contour. A little bit like cheekbones. We want a little bit of cheekbones. You know, it doesn't kill. Non-makeup look. Sometimes, you know, just a little bit of something. Does that make sense? Is it me or are you looking for me? I think it does a lot of it. Makes sense. Is it me or are you looking for me? Yo, my hair is everywhere. Is it me or are you looking for me then? I'm just gonna put a little bit of glow because the glow doesn't hurt to put sometimes, you know. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of glow. The glow doesn't kill, isn't it? Just a little bit. You little bitch, you can fuck with me if you want to. My lipstick, for my lips, I'm just gonna keep it simple and go ahead and use my Vaseline. Really?